Thank you. I've been utilizing a technique that I've been really honing in on recently. It's lean testing. It's a type of kinesiology technique that I learned a couple years ago. And what I do is I just stand straight and I just ask my body questions and it responds accordingly. And I would ask myself, is this Abraham speaking through me? And then I would lean backward.
Lean backward, huh?
Yeah. Is this...
Have you ever seen us push anyone backward before?
Okay, does that answer my question?
Good. Enough? Enough?
Is that it?
We think it is, don't you? You got your question answered before you even began speaking.
All right, that's it. Thank you.
Second, stand up.